Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Greek yogurt at home. We will start by selecting the right ingredients, then move on to the crucial steps of heating and cooling your milk. Next, we'll discuss how to properly culture and incubate your yogurt for optimal thickness and flavor. Finally, I'll show you the simple straining process that transforms regular yogurt into rich, creamy Greek yogurt, perfect for any meal. The first critical step is heating your milk. You'll want to heat 1 gallon of milk to exactly 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is essential because it denatures the milk proteins, which helps create a much thicker, creamier yogurt. After heating, it's equally important to cool the milk down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature ensures your starter culture remains active and effective. Once your milk is cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add your starter culture. Gently stir in about 2 tablespoons of a live yogurt culture until it's fully incorporated. Now, the incubation begins. Maintain the mixture at a consistent 110 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 hours. This steady temperature allows the beneficial bacteria to actively ferment the milk, transforming it into yogurt. The final step to achieve that signature Greek yogurt texture is straining. Line a colander with several layers of cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel, then place it over a bowl. Carefully pour your incubated yogurt into the lined colander. Refrigerate and allow it to strain for 2 to 4 hours. This process removes excess whey, leaving you with wonderfully thick, rich, and creamy homemade Greek yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.